Hi.
Hi.
That's Maddie.
Swing, Jeremy.
Yes, that's right. We were teaching the third week of
Charleston.
Tandem Charleston specifically.
Level 2.
We got there. We did it.
It's all the information you needed. So, in terms of class, we picked up where we left off with our full turn, but this time we added a leader full turn in tandem.
That's right.
At the same time as the follower's turn.
Here's the basic on top. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, double kick down, 1, 2, 3. So that's what we did for the leader's turn.
Yep, and then we practiced some push-outs. We had the right way and the left way. Starting with the right way.
The right way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, double kick.
Followers, we have that funny footwork where we go rock, step, kick, step, rock, step, kick, step. So don't forget, it's a little bit different from our regular basic. Then we have the left side.
Same footwork for followers. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. And that's really what we did.